You have been applying for remote jobs and getting nothing back. Here's why, and here's the fix. The roles with the most competition are usually the hardest to stand out in. But there are 5 certifications that move you into less crowded remote roles, where your skills are clearer and your applications are more likely to be taken seriously. 5 certifications. Real costs, real timelines, and a quiet fit rating for each one, so you know before you start which ones suit the way you want to work. And number 4 on this list is the one almost no one is applying for right now. Let us start. Certification 1, Google Cybersecurity. Before we go any further, you do not need a tech background for this one. No coding, no IT experience. If you can follow a structured course and stay consistent, you can earn this certification. This certification is built for beginners. It takes around 6 months part-time. You learn to monitor systems, spot weak points in a network, and stop threats before they cause damage. Practical skills used every single day. The course costs around $294 on Coursera. Financial aid is available. In many cases, you can take it for free. Entry-level security analysts earn $70,000 to $88,000. Mid-level roles sit around $99,000 to $120,000. And the reason this works remotely? Cybersecurity threats do not care where you are sitting. Companies are hiring remote analysts from anywhere in the world. 90% of employers are struggling to fill these roles right now. That is a gap. And for someone starting fresh, a gap is an opening. Most of the day-to-day work is independent, reviewing alerts, documenting issues, working at your own pace. For people who prefer focused, quiet work, this is one of the strongest fits on this list. The next certification is the quietest role on this entire list. Every company makes decisions based on data. Marketing, finance, healthcare, retail. And right now, most of them cannot find enough people who can read it. This certification teaches you how to clean data, analyze it, and present insights using tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau. No math degree, no prior experience. Many people finish in 1 to 2 months. It is beginner-friendly from day one. The work once you are hired is mostly independent. Spreadsheets, dashboards, reports, working at your own pace, not back-to-back meetings. This is the quietest role on this list. And this is one of the most accessible paths into structured remote work, because the skills transfer across almost every industry. Entry-level roles start between $65,000 and $85,000. And because the work is done entirely on a computer, companies are hiring for this remotely across every sector. The next path has one of the highest long-term ceilings on this list, but it also requires a bit more patience to get there. You have probably experienced AWS going down and noticed how many websites and apps went with it. That is how central this infrastructure has become. The people who manage it work from home. Because the cloud is remote by definition, the day-to-day work is mostly solo, monitoring dashboards, running scripts, managing systems. Once you are past the learning curve, it is one of the quieter technical roles you can do from home. If you are completely new, start with the AWS Cloud Practitioner. $100 for the exam, no coding, 2 to 3 months to complete. It opens the door into cloud operations. From there, the solutions architect path is where the larger salaries begin. Cloud support and operations roles start between $60,000 and $90,000, mostly remote from day one. If you are thinking long-term and you are willing to invest more time, this is one of the strongest paths you can take. If you want results in 3 months, start with data analytics or cybersecurity. If you want the higher ceiling and can be patient, this is where it sits. Certification 4 is the one I teased at the start. and I need to be honest with you about it before we go any further. This is the certification almost no one is applying for. But here is the truth. This role is remote, not quiet. It involves meetings, coordination, and managing people. So if you want fully independent work, this may not be your best fit. But if you are organized, good with people, and want to lead without coding, this is a strong remote path. And the competition is still surprisingly low. The Google Project Management Certificate is built around real scenarios. You finish with a capstone project. It covers Agile and Scrum frameworks, used in virtually every tech company today. If your background is in administration, operations, or teaching, your existing experience transfers directly. You are not starting from zero. Project management roles are widely available remotely. Many companies actively look for people who can organize work and keep projects moving. And if you already have experience coordinating people or tasks, this is one of the more direct paths into stable remote work. This role is for people who are organized, who like keeping things moving, and who are comfortable being the person everyone comes to when something needs sorting. Remote, yes. Quiet, no. Go in with clear eyes on that. The last certification on this list is the one most people sleep on, and it may be the most useful one to start right now. You do not need to know how to build AI to work in AI. There are roles in marketing, operations, and product teams that require AI skills without requiring you to code. That is where most of the new jobs are opening up. DeepLearning.ai has over 7 million learners with free courses partnered by Google, Microsoft, and Stanford. The IBM AI Developer Certificate goes deeper. Machine learning, generative AI tools, and how to work with pre-trained models. A realistic starting point for most people is combining AI skills with a role you already know: data, marketing, or admin work. The entry roles that suit most beginners are things like AI content reviewer, prompt specialist, or helping teams use AI tools effectively. Most of this work is screen-based, independent, and does not require constant meetings or calls. Fully async, fully remote. Entry-level roles start between $50,000 and $80,000. Prompt specialists and coordinators move into the $80,000 to $130,000 range. And because everything is done online, the vast majority of these roles are fully remote. You have seen all 5. Now let me help you choose the right one. Do not pick based on salary. Pick based on the type of work you can actually see yourself doing every day. If quiet, independent work is your priority, data analytics and cybersecurity are your 2 strongest fits. Both are screen-based, mostly async, and do not require calls to do the job well. Cybersecurity if you like solving problems. Data analytics if you want flexibility across industries. AWS Cloud for the highest ceiling, but plan 6 months minimum. Project management if you are organized and comfortable coordinating people. Just go in knowing it is not a low meeting role. And AI if you want async beginner work that is growing fast. Start with the free DeepLearning.ai courses. This is where most people stop. They get the certification and expect results. A certification opens the door. You still have to walk through it. Build something, show your work, apply consistently, follow up. That is what separates people who get hired from those who do not. All 5 certifications are beginner accessible, all skill-based, and all connected to real remote roles that are less crowded than the usual entry-level jobs. Cybersecurity, focused, independent, screen-based. Data analytics, quietest, most flexible, transfers across industries. AWS Cloud, solo technical work, longest path, highest ceiling. Project management, remote but not low meeting, fastest non-technical path. AI developer, async, growing fast, combine with a skill you already have. Choose the one that fits how you want to work. If you have been putting this off because it felt too far away, I want you to hear this. You do not need everything figured out. You just need to pick one and start. 3 to 6 months from today, the situation can look very different. If your goal is quiet, focused work, start by choosing the path that fits how you like to work, not just what sounds impressive. Drop a comment telling me which certification you are starting with, or tell me what kind of work you actually want to do, and I will point you in the right direction. And if you want to see how to set up your remote job search after this, that video is right here. I will see you there.